What happens to your flowering plants when you are not in the home? Think about the situation that you are not in the home for 1, 2 or maybe 3 days. So who is there to water your plant? Nobody there. So this was a big problem to my mother. So I came up with a solution using a Magicbit board and with several other components. This project will give you the ability to water your plants automatically when the moisture of the soil goes down below a threshold. Also, you can manually control the watering system using your mobile phone, your laptop, your desktop, or whatever your computer device is. So in this video, I will show you how to do this project.